Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at a site called cointub, and we're going to be showing you whether it is possible to actually earn 82 cents just by watching a promo video. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this because there's certain things you're going to want to need to know before you actually go and join cointub. So without further ado, let's jump over to the desktop and we'll go and check out more into cointub and also whether it is legit or not. Okay, so if you come on to the cointub.com website, as you can see here, it is very, very basic. And it says here you can watch and earn, and you can earn up to $7 a day. Daily tasks, invite and earn. And it also says here you get a $5 registration bonus when you join. Now, all that is on this website, it's obviously got different promos here. And this is a video here. It says join to earn, and you will be able to earn 82 cents just by watching, I think it's 35 seconds of this video. So here's some of the other promo videos as well. There's also, it tells you what people have obviously got out. So $108 for this guy in the top 5 last week, down to $43. And it also says here, obviously, get your $5 limited time only. And obviously the timer there is obviously expires. But other than that, as you can see here, there's not really anything else on here. So if you look at the About Us page, we'll see what we can find out. And as you can see here, doesn't really tell you an awful lot. It says, who are we and what do we do? It says, we are the most popular spot online to earn cash for watching videos for everyday thing you already do online. Earn money when watching entertaining videos. Finally, you can get cash out from PayPal, web money, Bitcoin, and more options. So that's all it says. It doesn't say anything about the actual cointub as well. And like I say, I'm going to dive into the back end of this in a minute, and because I actually went and joined just to see what it was all about. So I'm going to go in that in a minute, but I want you also to stay tuned because I'm obviously going to uncover some real truths that you're going to want to know before you go and join cointub. So let's dive straight into the back end of it, and we'll go and log in and see what it looks like actually inside. Okay, so this is inside my account, and as you can see here, I did get my $5 for signing up, and I've also got another $1.17 just by clicking on a couple of these videos. And like I say, you just get the money after just 34 seconds, okay? So for argument's sake here, we have, this is the thing, as soon as you click on something, it will go to bring up an ad. Obviously, I have an ad blocker, so it doesn't tend to connect, but every time you want to try and move this, like I said, I'll try and move the cursor again and another ad pops up, and this will do this 2 or 3 times before you can actually start scrolling. There we are, we're off and running. And so let's just show you this video here. It's going to get me 52 cents, and all I've got to do is watch 34 seconds of it, and it says watch on YouTube. So these are obviously just embedded YouTube videos. So as you can see, we just click here and boom, the ad thing comes up again. So we'll try again. We're off and running. So I've silenced the actual video, so we don't even have to have the sound on. As you can see, this bar is moving across 8, 9, 10 seconds. So as you can see, this is very simple to do. You don't even have to have the sound on, so you can just work it in the background if you prefer. But like I say, this website is very, very basic here, guys. There's not an awful lot on it at all. And as you can see, there is nothing to do with who the owners are or the actual company involved in this. So we've now gone to our 34 seconds. And as you can see here, it's now saying get money. So we just click on this. We'll probably go to another ad, I expect. Okay, so I've logged in, and obviously it says you've earned 52 cents, and it's been added to my total here. So if I press OK, then we're fine. Okay, no ad came up. So you will get a little spell like this where the ads will come up. Now, a couple of things then. This is just so simple, guys. Why wouldn't we carry on doing this? You've only got to hit a certain amount probably, and then you'd have to withdraw. Let's go to the hamburger menu. Withdraw. So let's go to withdraw. So this tells you how much. It says you are allowed to withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is $80. Okay, even though it says here 40, it says underneath it the minimum withdrawal is $80. Now $80 is quite a lot. Remember, we've only got nearly $7 there. Now, again, like I say, stay tuned because I'm going to tell you something about this when we come back shortly. But first of all, I want to just check out a couple of different sites. Like I say, there is no details on the website whatsoever about who the owners are. So let's go across to a site called who.is, which should tell you who they are registered to. The website here is obviously it's got a server's name here, and this is Tusco's Inc. Okay, and it was actually registered back in February of 2022, so only a few months old. Now, I can say straight away that this server company is renowned for hosting fraudulent websites. Okay, all of the websites that, or a lot of the websites that I know that have been scams, have been registered with this company to service their website. Okay, the registrar details the data has all been withheld, so there's nothing to tell us there about the registrant again. So let's jump over to a site called Trustpilot, and as you can see here, this is reviews, and they've had 37 reviews. 94% of them are bad. They haven't claimed their actual website, and they haven't claimed their profile either. So they are two things that you want to worry about. It says bad experience with cointub. When you reach near the $80, the homepage not open, redirected to different ads page continuously, and it's a complete waste of time. It's a scam website, fraud, scam, fake. Beware of the stay away from the site. I reached $75 odd. Couldn't access my account. Redirects to unnecessary pages. Again, another one here. I reached $75, couldn't access my account, redirects to unnecessary pages. And again, you can go through all of these things here. Most of them are hitting the $75 roughly, and then not actually being able to log in and obviously get any of that money out. And I think I have seen websites like this before, and what I also know is that a lot of these, when you actually start watching the videos, is that instead of being 32 cents, as you get nearer and nearer, this amount comes further and further down. So it takes you longer to actually reach the full amount before you can even attempt to play out. But like I say, a lot of the people say that once you obviously hit the $75, it will then basically just continually show you ads. It won't let you into your account. And this is why, guys, they're making their money from the ads. You're certainly not making any money off these YouTube videos, because the people who have made these YouTube videos are not going to be paying you 32 cents just to watch it without the sound on for 34 seconds. It's just not viable, guys. They're not going to earn that sort of money out of it. So it's... I would definitely look at obviously not joining the cointub.com. I think if you already have joined, then obviously let us know in the comments what your experience has been. But I can probably 100% say that this is not going to pay out. You're going to reach a certain level, and then you're going to take ages to reach that level anyway. And then they'll start messing about with your account so they don't have to pay out. So I would definitely stay away from cointub.com. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and also make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and also remember to subscribe to our marketing channel as well, where we give tips away, marketing tips and tricks for anybody who's actually wants to make money online. So make sure you obviously check that out in the description below this video as well. That's it for today. We're going to see you on the next video.